Some of our neighbors in Prince George's County are stranded in their homes.
Yeah, some streets have not been plowed at all. Sarah Robinson has a closer look at conditions in Clinton.
Well, we have been driving through neighborhoods in Prince George's County, and while most of them are in good shape, there are still some that are a sheet of ice at this hour. And residents tell me that they are growing frustrated, and it's also a safety concern.
I can't get to the drugstore to pick up my medication. The drugstore will deliver. They can't get to me.
For some residents in Prince George's County, the past few days have been emotional.
The county did a very poor job in plowing these streets.
Linda Dabney, who lives in Forestville, says she prepared for the storm, clearing her driveway and sidewalk within the required time. But after a snowplow came through, it left a pile of snow and ice, blocking her car in.
Even citizens trapped in their home, not able to get out because the snowplow has plowed them in.
Dabney, who has congestive heart failure, says being unable to leave home is a serious concern.
Because I had a stroke 3 years ago. And see if something like this had happened, it would not have been good.
In Clinton, Gloria Hilliard faces a similar problem, but she says her neighborhood has not seen a plow at all.
We're running out of water. I need some bread.
The county says 100% of primary and secondary roads are passable, and now about 85% of neighborhood roads are cleared. County Executive Aisha Braveboy has been updating residents regularly. Olashe Ulubenle is the Deputy Director of the Department of Public Works and Transportation. She says the roads still waiting are amongst the toughest, packed with ice requiring specialized equipment. Last year, the county had fewer than 200 resources to respond to winter weather. This year, that number has increased to 380, including more heavy equipment, which may be needed to get some of these final roads clear. But for those still waiting,
we have done everything we were asked to do. And so I just feel like I'm stuck here.
Now, a bit ago, a county official was able to get me some updated numbers. Right now, about 85 to 90% of residential streets are passable and cleared. Also, the woman that you heard from who needs to get her medication, the county told me that they will be working with her to make sure that she has what she needs and she can get out. Reporting in Prince George's County, I'm Sarah Robinson, WUSA 9.